Hey there. Do you want to be a cycle breaker and stop passing on the harm of oppressive systems like colonization, patriarchy, white body supremacy, and capitalism? If so, consider joining my Embody Your Boundaries workshop on Saturday, March 22nd from 1 to 4 p.m. in Brattleboro, Vermont. Together, you begin learning how to decolonize your relationships so that you may transform your world from the inside out and begin retraining your nervous system to center collective joy and freedom rather than individual survival. My name is Judy Hu. I'm a licensed mental health counselor of 20 years turned boundary coach. This workshop is usually a virtual offer which has allowed people from all over the globe to come together on Zoom and learn the transformative powers of my psychological boundaries framework that I teach in my best-selling book, The Boundary Revolution. Decolonize your relationships and discover a new path to joy. Transparently, there is a part of me, my inner wounded child, who longs to stay in the virtual space where I have full control over the environment, muting and unmuting, having all of my comfort objects around me, and boxing people into these teeny tiny squares I can dissolve at the press of a button. In case you are nervous or finding reasons why my particular workshop comes at a very inconvenient time or location, it makes sense. Me too. The energy it takes to go out into a world that feels more and more unsafe is exhausting. And yes, I am still inviting you to go out into the world and enter my space that offers radical inclusion, where I intentionally and explicitly center the needs and safety of the most vulnerable, rather than the comfort of those who are used to taking up space. We are at a time, friends, where the humanity and the safety of our LGBTQ community are at risk, where women are not allowed to make choices over their own bodies, where immigrants who fall into a particular profile are at risk of not being able to return home to their loved ones, and where over and over again we repeat the collective trauma of conditional love and belonging. Yes, I am still inviting you to learn how to open your heart to each other while also practicing healthy boundaries. At my in-person workshop, you will not only experience a felt sense of belonging, you will also begin to see how you might transform the world around you by bringing safety and protection and love with healthy boundaries from within yourself. Please join me. I'm so excited to meet you.